The difference between the greater and lesser vehicles is the arousing of bodhicitta. The difference is created not by the view, but by compassion. Therefore, keeping the view of the natural state, train yourself in great compassion. For the benefit of self and others, abandon the suffering of samsara forever. Train repeatedly in feeling renunciation for samsara. Train in taking upon yourself the burden of the suffering of others. First, train in regarding all sentient beings as being like yourself. Train in feeling that the suffering of others is your own suffering. Then train in cherishing sentient beings as being more important than yourself. Train in the great compassion that involuntarily acts for the welfare of others. The word Mahayana implies simply to cherish others as being superior to oneself.